My name is Edwin Okot Ochieng. I am a medical trainer, Jodan College of Technology. So this is our skills lab. I'm here to show you various models we normally use to train our medical students. So here there's a male torso showing different anatomic structures. So there's lungs, there's liver, there's heart, and we also have intestines. In this other one, this is a female torso showing also different anatomic structures. We have the lungs, we have the liver, we have the small intestines, we also have the heart, and there's also superior vena cava. This is a unisex structure showing also different anatomic structures. So there is also the small and large intestines. This one can also be used to show how to perform breast examination in ladies. Here we have a male reproductive system. So this is a model which is used to show male catheterization and also how to perform bladder drainage in people with bladder infections. This model, this is called a half-body CPR model. So this one is used to show how to perform CPR in adults who have cardiac arrest. This is also a half-body CPR model showing the same function. Here we have an adult skeletal model. So this model is used to show different bones in the human body. So we have different bones like the skull bones, we have ligaments, we also have tendons which touches the bone and a muscle. We also have a ligament touching a bone and a bone, and there are different bones in this human skeleton. Here we have a 3-year-old caregiver model. So in this model, this is called a functional adult caregiver model, and it is used to show various practicals. So in this adult caregiver model, you can use to demonstrate eye hygiene. You can also use it to demonstrate dental hygiene. You can also use to demonstrate tracheostomy care. You can also use it to demonstrate how to perform various types of injection. Here we can have intramuscular injection in the deltoid region. We can also have how to perform intravenous line insertion for giving intravenous fluids. There's also, you can also use it to perform monitoring of blood pressure. You can also use it to perform stomach care, more so in those patients who have undergone colon surgeries. You can also use it to insert catheter. You can also use it to give intramuscular injection in the laterals vaccillaris muscle. You can also use this model to demonstrate how to position a patient. And you can also use this model to perform how to dress an adult who is bedridden or is unconscious. You can also use this model to perform combing and other hygiene to the head. So I welcome you to Jodan College of Technology, because we are fully equipped to train various medical courses, since we have various models for the training. Thank you.